prepare an omelette for me.
Okay, I will cook omelette for you till you reach home. Happy journey.
Automated omelette cooking articulated robot. Our prototype is designed to cook/prepare an omelette with no/minimal human efforts for reducing the time and taking hygiene in consideration with attractive feature of IoT and geolocation tracking for on-time food preparation. Omelette for prototype version. We interfaced the controller and servos using cables, and then we went on with the programming of ARM as per the cooking process. We also interfaced an ESP01 with the controller for commanding the cooking process remotely using the concept of geolocation tracking. Software used like SolidWorks, EasyEDA, and RoboKit servo controller software, Arduino IDE, Google Assistant, IFTTT Adafruit.io. Follow Electronic Wings for more such videos.